Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm Kerry. Today I'll be showing you a meadow animal towel I made. 4 couples I know have recently had babies, so I've decided to add some of my appliques to towels as gifts. I've also had skin cancers frozen off my hands and arms, so we'll leave filming new designs until they've healed. All the appliques were made using Sheepy's Maxi Sweet Treat and a 1mm hook. We'll add links to the appliques I used in the description below. I used the raccoon applique, the skunk applique, the fox applique, the hedgehog applique, and the deer applique. My sewing machine was used to stitch the appliques to the towel using the colour of the towel in the bobbin and the colours of the appliques for the top thread. If you've liked my video, please like, subscribe and share. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and Patreon. The details are in the description below, along with the details of my website where I have my patterns and the details of my Facebook group. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.